to enable quiet mode on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I am up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enable quiet mode on Instagram. If you have ever felt the need to enjoy a peaceful Instagram experience, especially during the night, this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. Open your Instagram application on your device and click on the profile icon at the bottom. Next, locate the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and click on them. This will reveal the option. Click on Settings and Privacy here. Now within the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option. Here you will find the Quiet Mode. When you activate Quiet Mode, it will automatically mute notifications, providing you with a serene browsing experience, particularly during night time. Select the start and end time to ensure for how long would you like to be in quiet mode. You can customize it up to 12 hours. Adjust the setting to your preference, ensuring that notifications are muted when you desire some quiet time. This feature is excellent for maintaining a peaceful environment and avoiding unnecessary interruptions. You have successfully activated